Hi guys, today we are sitting in the month of June, and June is a time when you have to start looking at the advanced level question. I call them dirty quant. Yeah, most of the classes, most of the students avoid these kind of topic because as the name said dirty quant. And dirty quant matlab don't start imagining dirty wala dirty. Start dirty matlab ghatiya topic, ghatiya gande topic. Fine. So I wanted to find a good word for ghatiya. So I couldn't find anything better than dirty quant. Yeah. So let me introduce you to the thing here. Let me share the screen with you. All right. Yep. This is here. So yeah, these are all the topics in the quant section. That's a complete syllabus from the quant point of view. So main topic which is favorite for everyone is arithmetic. Everybody likes arithmetic. Everybody want to focus on arithmetic. Yeah. So and this is important as well. This is going to come in the exam. Lot of questions are going to come in the exam. ठीक है, तो ये आपका मेन टॉपिक आ गया अर्थमेटिक का. ठीक है, every student focus on this. Then they jump towards geometry, numbers, all this side: time, speed, distance, time and work, PNC, probability, algebra. What is ignored in this area is modern maths, which I call dirty quant. So all this topic: coordinate geometry, function, trigonometry, polynomial equation, set theory, APGP, all these topics come as a part of APGP and logs. All these topics come as a part of modern maths. Then trigonometric, coordinate geometry, I can talk in geometry number as well, but this is the main syllabus. If you want to ignore trigonometric geometry, you can do that, but this is a complete syllabus. And for the next every week, I want to start introducing you to one topic, one of these topics: functions, graph, inequality. And trust me, these are my favorite topics. All these topics here are my favorite topics, and we have the shortcut for each of them. Okay, so today we're keeping our demo lectures. In case you want to attend, just call the numbers given here. I'll just show you the numbers as well, so that in case you want to call, you can just call the team, seating team, and you can attend the demo lecture. All right, that's the numbers here. So just call us any of the numbers. Today, 6 to 7 p.m., I want to kill quant ka topic. A, you will understand what is the syllabus of the quant, what kind of questions are coming, so that we can target them. And B, I want to kill one topic. So today I'm taking probability. If you can attend that lecture 6 to 7 p.m., please call the numbers here. Okay. So these are the area you have to start looking at now. Every coaching classes does this thing. Yes, yes, yes. Everyone does, but towards the end. यार अक्टूबर नवंबर में जाके अगर पता चलता है आपको कि all these topics listed here are very important and is the second most important topic after arithmetic, then it's too late. Okay, because I need to do arithmetic is important, no doubt about this. See, okay, this is a cutoff. Bare minimum target. I hate maths, this and that. You need 80 percentile. If you want to clear the section cutoff of the IMs, you need 80 percentile. For 80 percentile, you need to get 16 marks, which is approximately 5 or maybe 6 question correct. Yes. Out of 26 mark ka paper, get me 6 question correct. 6. SIX 6. देखिए डाउट लोग हो रहे हैं, ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया, 6 कैसे बोल दिया. ये लो भैया. In quant section, you are able to clear the IM calls. Open category, gem, everybody. Provided obviously do in the other two areas. Otherwise, my safe bet is 90 percentile. 8 question ठीक कर दो, you are definitely going to clear the cutoff from the quant point of view. Or you can focus on 10. That's why all my videos I say 10 question correct. Target have to be 10. 10 target करोगे तब जाके 6 आएगा. Okay, depending upon how weak or how good that particular topic is for you. Otherwise, if you want to go for 99 percentile, we have 14 question correct. If you want to go to 99.9 percentile, then we need to do 21 question correct. तो नमक स्वाद अनुसार एंड अटेम्प्ट औकात अनुसार, ये डायलॉग मेरा याद रखना बस एंड तक. नमक सॉल्ट एज पर योर टेस्ट एंड अटेम्प्ट्स एज पर योर औकात. अभी औकात का इंग्लिश वर्ड तुम ढूंढ लो. Okay, that's your target. Fine. So if I just summarize the target point of view, either you target 8, 10, or 14. These are the three correct. Score wise 24, 30, and 42. These are the three numbers you have to remember. And I cannot get this number only by working on the arithmetic, which most of students do. Arithmetic, geometry, numbers, time, speed, distance, they focus on these areas. आपको modern math में घुसना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? And I'm counting today. I'm taking the workshop on probability because probability is not dirty quant का topic, but it is dirty anyway. So today, if you can attend 6 to 7 p.m. we are talking about this topic. ये आप note करो, सबसे easy topic है, trust me यार. I find set theory, APGP, logs, for trigonometry, polynomials, function graph, coordinate geometry easier than profit and loss, easier than time and work, time speed, distance का topic. Because time speed, distance, every year 2 questions the CAT exam, but both the question are going to be very very scary. ठीक है, हम करेंगे, वो भी करेंगे. I'm not saying, I'm not denying that we'll not do that, but let's go step by step. Okay, so we are going to focus on other areas as well, but today I want to kill this topic. Today I want to introduce you to modern maths and kill one of the topic every week. So in case you want to join us for the complete program, you can call the numbers given here. Otherwise, you can just attend the demo lecture, or you want to go for the books, mocks, whichever program you want to join, just call the numbers here. All right, all the best. तो ये आपको सारे टॉपिक अपने खत्म करने, दैट्स योर टारगेट over the next few months. ठीक है, हर हफ्ते we will pick up one topic. All right, all the best.